Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing a video with products that have been forced on me. I've been told they're wonderful and I just need to shut up and try them. So, Allie, this is mostly your fault. If you've been watching me a while, Allie is no stranger around here. She loves to send me things, and I love that she loves to send me things because I just love it. So she has told me that I need the Just My Luck ColourPop palette, Lily Lashes in the style Gaia, and the Disney Villains Ultra Glossy Lip in Shadow Man. Now, this will be tricky because she knows I don't like lip gloss, but she says, I need this in my life. So I'm gonna give it a go. I'm also gonna be using, for the first time, this Praline I Heart Revolution palette that a wonderful subscriber sent me, so let's just get into it. All right, so can we just talk about that fucking middle shade? Oh my God. I've already primed my lids, and we're gonna go in to start with my Smith 247 brush, and we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna have to start with Chances Are. Hopefully that will show up. I'm sure it will. Let's see. I've really never had 98% of ColourPop shadows that I've tried, I've never had issues with, so let's hope this is gonna be the same. All right, so this is like a dusty, kind of mossy green shade. What I'm actually gonna start doing now for these kind of eye tutorials is doing just one eye on camera and then one eye off to save time. Otherwise, I mean, even the editing just is so annoying. I mean, who's kidding who though? What doesn't annoy me? The kickback in this palette is insane though. Not that that really matters, but payoff is great though. For a really light shade, that's pretty great. One of my favorite things about Allie and the things that she sends me is that we don't have this little thing where, okay, I'm gonna send you things, you have to love everything. She knows that I don't like gloss, and she won't be offended if I don't like this, but she's still like, just try it. If you don't like it, it's not a big deal, but just try it anyway. I think you'll love it. So that's really nice. It takes the pressure off me because remember at Christmas when you were a kid and somebody gave you a horrible gift, but you had to act like you liked it? That's the worst. All right, so now we're going in with the Kiss My Ass, which is the next shade over here. And this is like a Kelly green. What does that even mean? What does Kelly green mean? We're going with the gradient, light to dark. We're gonna go in with this matte shade now. And this is Act Natural. Go back in with Kiss My Ass. All right, and the last, this is like a matte with like glitter in it, but it's still like a matte base. I'm gonna go in with this and kind of put it all over the lid. And for that, I'm actually just gonna use my finger. This shade is gorgeous. Wow. It's like a, oh, how do I put this? It's like a, it's almost got like a yellowish kind of base. It's gorgeous. Wow. And this is Mo Bamba right here. Like, I don't know if you can see exactly, but it's not like the rest of the greens. There's something kind of special about it. I can't even put my finger on what it is, but. Let me go off camera, finish this eye, and then I'll come back and do the cut crease where we're going to use this middle Mary Jane shade, and then I'll swatch the other metallics for you. And now we're gonna do the cut crease. So I've got my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C4. And dear God, yes, I realize I am not amazing at cut creases, but I am okay with that. Let's go in with this one and then use this one to finish it off. So we'll go in with Big Banks right here and then finish off with Mary Jane. Oof, that is beautiful. And now Mary Jane's gonna get to steal the show. Oh God. Oh, that is just magnificent. All right, I'm gonna finish the other eye, put my base makeup on, and then we'll finish up with the face palette and the lip gloss. So, oh, and the lashes. Actually, I'm gonna put the lashes on with everything else, but I will completely tell you how they went on. So, fingers crossed. I'll be right back. Well, that was a sad travesty. These did not work well for me. The inside parts on both sides wouldn't stay down. Like, I bent them prior. I snipped the edges off because they were just way too long for my eyes, but yeah. After about 15 minutes of trying to get them to like stay down, I gave up. But I am wearing lashes in a box. That's actually the brand. And they're in the style 24. If it was one side of the Lily lashes, I would have been like, maybe it was me, but both sides were sticking up. I didn't understand what the problem was. Okay, so my eyes are done. Now we're doing the face, and we are using the Praline palette from Makeup Revolution. This has a contour in it. It's very red toned though. So I'm going to have to be very, very careful with this. Let's swatch everything, except for this one, because this one I want to be a surprise when it messes my face up. All jokes aside, a very sweet subscriber sent me this and 2 other eye palettes. I used these in a video yesterday and they were awesome. This red and white one, phenomenal, phenomenal. I've swatched this one. These are all the like metallic highlight shades. All right, we're gonna put the white in the inner corner because it just goes with everything. So this Praline shade, like I said, is gonna be like my bronzer contour. I used my NUDESTIX Nudies Tinted Blur as my cream contour, but I always do a powder on top. So I'm gonna use my loosest bronzing brush right now. This is from Eco Tools. It's the multitasking powder brush. And I'm going to dab into this very lightly to start off with. All right, nothing too scary. A little bit more. But I will say right now, this definitely won't be a bronzer for me in the future. I'll probably use this as like an eyeshadow or something because it's definitely like blushy looking. It's just definitely a little bit too red toned. I don't even know if you can actually see the undertone, but it's very, very red toned and it's picking up the warmth from my skin. So it kind of looks very blushy. I don't know how it looks on camera, but on right now it's picking up a lot of my undertones of red. So, and now we're gonna go into this shade Ripple for blush. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be fantastic, but it is incredibly metallic, so I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna try not to go overboard as I rub it everywhere. Ooh, that's pretty. So let's just add more. And for highlight, I mean, we have to do the white one. I feel like Bon Bon might be a little bit too deep for my skin tone, at least for my face. I could definitely use it on my eyes though. And it's magic. As is 90% of Makeup Revolution's highlighters. All right, Allie, gloss time. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try it on its own first. My lips aren't crazy pigmented, and it is a gloss, so it's gonna be sheer. But if I feel like it needs more of like a pop, then I'll take it off, put a lipstick on, and then top it with this. But for now, we're just gonna try it on its own. And I mean, this is gorgeous. It's like this orangey, she knows I love an orange lip. It's like this orangey gold. And it's almost like got a green shift to it, which is also pretty cool. All right, so. Oh my God. I have not put this on yet. I just got it yesterday. Oddly enough, I love this applicator. This like crappy looking brush, I really like. I don't need to add anything underneath. This shade is magnificent. All right, Allie, I'm a believer. This shade, Shadow Man, is magnificent. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm dying. Honestly, killer, killer. And again, these are things sent to me. I'm so grateful that my friends and subscribers are so kind enough to send me things out of the goodness of their heart, their generosity. I'm so grateful, and I will cherish all these things. This is a beautiful palette. This will be a beautiful eyeshadow. It's an okay bronzer, but it'll definitely make a beautiful eyeshadow, and the rest of these are killer. I'm sad about the Lily lashes. I'll give them a few more tries to see if I can get them to work, but oh my god. These lips just totally stole the show for me. Alright guys, so that was it. Let me know what you loved in the box below, and until next time, I will see you guys later.